Arts appreciation, the study of humanities, elements of arts, cultural appreciation, arts in Muslim Mindanao. The humanities cover a wide spectrum of subjects, emphasizing the unique abilities of the human spirit to express itself. Language and literatures, the study of written and unspoken languages, literatures of linguistic analysis. Elements of arts. Colors adds vibrancy and emotions to art. It can be warm, reds or yellows, or cool, blues, greens. And artists use colors theory to create humorous platters. Cultural appropriation. Hairstyle and body modification. Adopting hairstyle, tattoos, or body modification associated with specific culture. Religious and spiritual practices. Using sacred symbols of rituals without proper understanding of Arts and Muslim Mindanaos. Brushwares. Ulintang, gongs, and elaborate designs of Muslims jars are popular brushwares crafted in Mindanao. Cotabato City, the oldest city in the region, is known for its brushworks craftsmanship. Arts appreciation.